What if I tell you that you can invest 10 minutes every morning and you can improve your creativity, you can keep your mind calmer, you can relax your muscles, you can stay injury free, you can exercise at a much more higher intensity, and the most important part is that you can keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Now I'll explain the scientific reason behind why would you get those benefits in your life. All you have to do is introduce yoga asanas practice in your morning routine. The first benefit is it improves your flexibility and mobility. Now, I'll take two examples where flexibility and mobility will help you in your daily life activities. So let's say you're a person who exercises on a regular basis and you have a good arm strength. Okay? Now, what happens is a gas cylinder comes to your home. From the main door, you have to lift the gas cylinder and walk all the way to the kitchen for 20 steps. Now, you have arm strength, so you are able to lift the cylinder. But if you don't have lower back flexibility and you don't have lower back mobility, then you won't be able to carry around the weight all the way to the kitchen for 20 steps. So that's where your mobility and flexibility will help you to lift the weight and walk with it. Now let's take the second example. Now let's say you are going to a gym, or you're going to a fitness studio, or you're going to a garden to exercise. Now if your muscles are flexible, that means your muscles are elastic, then you'll be able to do different types of movements back to back in a circuit without any aches, cramps or resistance while moving those joints, moving those muscles. The second benefit is it helps you to stay injury free. Why do you get injured? First, lack of warm up, lack of cool down, lack of massages to the muscle, and too much of overtraining. Now yoga will provide a proper cool down to your body, to your muscles, and when you practice yoga asanas between two workout sessions, that will help minimize the chances of overtraining as well. The third benefit is it helps you stay calm throughout the day. Now, when you practice yoga asanas, when you take deep breaths during your yoga asanas, first thing that happens is it relaxes your mind and it keeps your mind calm. That's the first benefit. Now, when you're calm, you will be able to stay more creative because you will be able to think sharper. Now, when you're creative, you will be able to take better life decisions on a regular basis. So when you take deep breaths during your yoga asanas, it will help you stay calm, it will improve your creativity, and at the same time you will be able to take better life decisions. The fourth benefit of yoga practice is it teaches you patience. Let's say your goal is to achieve a particular advanced yoga asana, and right now you're struggling to achieve it. So what do you have to do? You have to practice the basic asana first, then you'll do one or two progressive variations of the same, and then finally you'll reach to the advanced yoga asana, whatever you are aiming to achieve. Now, the journey of struggle to success is what teaches you to stay patient in life. Now the fifth benefit is gonna be a slightly complicated for you to understand. So pay maximum attention to this point. Fifth benefit is it improves your blood circulation. Now, how does blood circulation improve? I'll tell you the logic. There are two situations where you can improve your blood circulation while doing yoga asanas. First, you hold each asana for 2 minutes. Okay? Second situation is where you are doing 15 yoga asanas in a span of 15 to 20 minutes back to back. That is called yoga flow. Now, I hope the concept of how blood circulation improves is clear. Now I'll tell you what are the benefits. The fifth benefit is better blood circulation. Better blood circulation in itself has a list of benefits. Now let's begin with the basic. Yoga practice will lead to better blood circulation. Better blood circulation will relax your muscles, leading to lack of soreness and minimizing the chances of overtraining. That means you will be able to stay injury free. Now, better blood circulation will relax your mind as well. Once your mind is relaxed, your happy hormones will start secreting, and that will keep your day amazing. Sixth benefit is higher energy levels throughout the day. yoga will improve blood flow. Blood will be supplied not just to the muscle, it will be circulated in the entire body, in your organs, in your brain, in your muscles, in the joints, tissues, cells, everywhere. Now, how will better blood circulation improve your energy levels? Blood has list of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, glucose and amino acids. All these nutrients are being supplied at an efficient rate, at a faster pace in your entire body. Obviously, when these nutrients are being received to the cells, to the tissues of your body, your energy levels will automatically improve. By explaining these 6 benefits, I also tried to give you a scientific logic behind these 6 benefits in simple words. The action idea behind this video is to introduce yoga in your life. Do not underestimate the value of yoga. Whatever I told you is a theoretical knowledge. I have the practical experience, and once you start experiencing yoga, this theoretical knowledge will be your practical knowledge. And once the dot connects, the theory and practical is being connected to each other, you will never stop doing yoga. You will practice yoga every single day, or at least you will do it 3 times a week. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video has delivered value in your life, do share it with your friends, with your parents, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.